and welcome back to techystack channel. Today we'll try to explore one more new concept. So in Excel file I have this data. So this data I need to convert to like this. Just I need to copy this data and I need to go here and transpose this data. So I need the data looks like this. So I need the data like this. So let me try to with the Uipath how it will achieve. I'm closing this Excel workbook. Let me go back to Uipath Studio. And the first activity I will take this read range Excel workbook, and I want to take this path here. So this is my input file, copying the path and updating the data here. After that, here my sheet name is data, and this entire I will store into one variable, which I will call as Excel data table. So now this step is done. So after that, so here every time columns A, B, and C, it's to keep on looping. Na? So for that, I will take one variable. So let me take assign activity. In this assign activity, I will make alphabet and here I will make it as A. So next I will take the for each row in data table. So I will take for each activity, for each row in data table, and here I will loop this Excel data table. So after that, I want to increment this one. So before that increment, I need to update this data. Here I'm taking write cell activity. Okay, let me take write cell workbook, and this is in my path. And here I will make the sheet name as transpose sheet 1, and here my cell is every time it's 1, and cell A and B are changed. So alphabet plus 1. So the 1 is standard, so I need to update A1, B1, C1 like that. And here I want to update the data as current row of 0.2 string. So this is done. So on the downside, I want to take the increment. So let me take this, and here I need to update the increment. So this should be the character of, character of ASCII, and I need to pass this my variable. So here my variable is alphabet. After that, I need to increment. So +1. So it's throwing some error. So I expected one. Let me check this. Character of ASCII of. Here the error is so I need to remove that A. So this should be CHR. So on ASCII, so this is helps to convert the alphabet increment. So as of now, the alphabet it's for A, then it will change to +1, then it converted to the B. So let me run this part and we'll see how it's look like. So execution has been completed and going back to the output here. Let me go this output, not here. So the transpose data. So when I go this transpose sheet 1, so data has been modified. So now we need to read this data and change this data to like this. Okay. Let me close this Excel file and back to the Uipath Studio. And here I need to take read range. The holiday is there. So let me take read range activity. And here my sheet name is transpose sheet 1. Okay. After that, I need to convert the data. So let me go and take one variable, assign variable. Okay, here I will make it as column data variable. In this variable, I will pass the value. So this is already which I have designed here. So this is my data table, getting the data table of rows, and enter I'm assigning into the one array. So this is the thing. After this, I'm taking one for each activity. So let me take for each. In this for each, I will assign here column data. Okay, this is done. So now I need to update the data column A. So and A1, A2, A3. So 1 to 3 are being incremented. So I will take again one more assign activity. Here I will declare as current row and I will make it as 1. This is done and I will take the same variable inside and after that I will put the increment. Let me copy and I paste it. Current row plus 1. This got increment. So everything is done. Now only the thing is I need to write the cell. So from here I will take this write cell activity. Let me keep outside. I mean on top of that here current item dot to string. Okay, and I will change my sheet name as 2. And let me go to this here. In inside alphabet is there. So I need to remove that and make it as A plus and row. Let me take current row dot to string. So all the steps has been completed and I'm running this bot. So let me run this. Okay, it's throwing some error. So here I will make it as 0. Let me go and check the out file. Okay, so this is having only one row. So it's considered as a header. So let me go back to this rearrange workbook activity and I will disable this headers. This is fine. So I'm running this bot again and so bot execution has been completed. Let me open this transpose data. Okay, in the data I have like this. So first one, what I need to do, I need to convert this to this. So this is done. So next I need to copy this data. I mean, I need to select this data and transpose to like this. So these two, condition has been satisfied. So this is a one of the method which I approaches file and you can go to the developer option and go to the visual basics and here you can go and insert so you will get the module. So right now I'm updating the code here sample. The first step is I need to copy the data from the data set. For this workbook dot sheets of so here my sheet is data dot user range dot copy. So it's copied. After that I need to update the paste into this sheet. So this is my transport sheet. So let me update. After that, I need to give the range. So range of I will update here. Okay, H1. After that, I need to make it as paste now. So I'm taking paste special. Okay, so here I need to transpose this data. So from this format to another format. So I will make it here transpose equals to true. Okay, let me run this. So first this data has been copied and updated in the sheet 1. So this is done. Okay, now next step is copy this data. So let me take. So here if I use the range, so it will copy this entire range. So let me try that as well. Dot user range dot copy. Okay, next I will update the same thing. Let me change here to and I will rest of the thing are same. So now I will run these two things. So we'll see how it will works. So I will go here transpose. So you can see this one. This is the way how we can achieve in the VBA. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, Make sure hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.